Hey guys, let's get started. So the things that you'll be needing would be firstly a number 1 template. Now I've traced this onto an old cardboard and cut and a glitter paper. Now I'm using a gold one here. Go ahead and trace the number 1 template onto the paper just like this. Now let's cut. So I will also be using some skewers for this project. Now the skewer that I'm using here is a bit long, so I'm going to shorten it. And what you can do next is use the sharp edge of the skewer, secure it to the template using a sellotape. Next, use a craft glue to secure or to glue both the templates together. And just press gently onto the edges of the template. And you're done with this. So next, let's move on and grab a jar. You can use a mason jar, or as you can see here, I'm using what is called as a tilly jar. It's like a mason jar with a stand. And I've spray painted the body of this mason jar. I believe it's rose gold, and these are the paper flowers that I did a few weeks ago. I'll put a link in the description box below. I've got 2 different shades of pink, so just gently push them into the mouth of the jar just like this. And next, use this skewer that you've done earlier and insert it in between the flowers so that the number 1 will sit right on top of the flowers. And you're done. So this is how it will look. I hope you give it a try, or at least it gave you some idea for your next table centerpiece. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a good day.